IMSAR has a core purpose, and it is life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. It guides our priorities, it guides our interaction. The reason we go into different countries is not necessarily because there's a requirement, but because we believe that the radar will support their efforts in pursuing their own life, liberty, and happiness. And that culture, that set of values drives everything we do. Recently at IMSAR, we held an event for our global representatives. We titled it IMSAR Live. We had 14 representatives from around the globe attend, representing 8 different countries, and we held the event over 3 days. We covered a broad variety of topics, including current capabilities of the radar, the engineering roadmap, where we're going with the radar into the future. We talked about operations, how the radar was operated, and employment, meaning how the radar is used in operations and how it works with other sensors. We talked about things like sales priorities and talked through business development opportunities. We also had a live flight demonstration where we ran a scenario and went through all the different capabilities of the radar. We showed everything from being able to detect people walking on the ground, which we call dismount, moving target indicator, through all the other different MTI that the radar can show, and SAR imagery, change detection, where we compare SAR images. And then our representatives who attended asked us to give them specific examples or fly certain profiles. It was a really dynamic event, and we got down into the details of how the radar operates. One of the things this did is allow us to have some face-to-face interaction with our representatives, but just as important, they had interaction with each other and talked about ways they could collaborate on opportunities and learned from each other how they do things within their own areas of responsibility, their own countries, and went away with tips of how to interact with customers, how to talk to them, how to talk about radar, how to teach them what the radar does. This event was good for training because we got to make sure that our representatives understood the capabilities of the radar, but it also created some momentum and excitement. These great representatives are out there operating alone and unafraid in their countries. And it's nice to bring them back to the headquarters here where we can work together, and they realize they have a full support team from business development experts, media and marketing help, and scheduling and demonstration help, and got to see those people that they can reach back to and know who they are and have a face to go with the names in emails and phone calls. So overall, it was just a great event over 3 days, and it was 3 full days. We worked all the way up till 9:30 on the last day to milk every moment we could out of the event, and our representatives went home, I'm sure tired, but with renewed energy and momentum, and we will have this event again at least annually. It was such a success, we want to repeat it.